everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make vegan double chocolate chip cookies. Please note that this whole process from start to finish will take 20 to 30 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy. Ingredients you will need are a pan with parchment paper, a bowl, measuring cups, almond blanched flour, chocolate powder, tapioca starch, baking powder, salt, maple syrup, vanilla extract, chocolate chips, and a strainer. Feel free to pause the video as needed. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. The first thing you want to do is add 2 cups of almond blanched flour into the strainer. Make sure that the strainer is sitting right on top of the bowl. Next, add 1 cup of chocolate powder to the mix. Be careful not to spill as it will create a large mess. After you have done that, put a half cup of tapioca starch into the strainer. Make sure you get all the starch out of the measuring cup before moving on. Now put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Make sure you're using a teaspoon and not a tablespoon. They can sometimes get confusing. Now begin mixing the dry ingredients together. You should mix them well enough so that the whole mixture goes through the strainer. This helps break down the mixture easily. After a while of mixing, you will notice that the mixture has now turned brown. To break down the tapioca starch, push down and break it apart with your spoon or any other utensil you are using. When you finish breaking down all the ingredients, lift up the strainer. It is now time to add the liquid ingredients. Pour 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup full of maple syrup into the bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then finish off the mix by adding chocolate chips. Slowly begin mixing the mixture so that everything binds together nicely. Mix well and don't forget to scrape off any excess powder on the edges of the bowl. After a few minutes of mixing with the spoon, I find it easier to mix with my hands. This accomplishes the task way faster than mixing with a utensil or spoon. When you're done mixing, your mix should look like this. Now it's time to roll the cookies out. Start off by taking a little bit of dough from the bowl and rolling it into a ball. Once you have it rolled into a ball, flatten it slightly and put it on the tray. Do this till you run out of dough. Now it's time to put the cookies in the oven. You should put a timer for 9 to 11 minutes depending on how crispy you want them to be. The cookies are done baking, take them out of the oven and put them in a spot to cool down. I hope you learned something new and I hope you have a great day. Bye.